Welcome to the Solid Edge drafting tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to jog dimensions in Solid Edge. Follow the below steps, select the dimension line that you want to jog, press the Alt key on the keyboard and select the dimension line again. To apply auto jog settings, follow the below steps, click on Styles, select Dimension Style and click on Modify, go to the Lines and Coordinates, checkbox of Enable Automatic Jogging and OK. Now try once again with automatic dimension jogging. Thank you very much for watching. For more updated videos, like and subscribe.